guys, we are in Kyoto, day 2, and we started off the morning with a bakery called Flip Up. We should have recorded us eating, but we got a cheese bread and a cloud bread and a breakfast one that had some ham, egg, and horseradish, which sounds gross saying it, but it was really good.
It's really good.
And then now we're going to, we also went to Weekenders Coffee and got some espresso beans. I think I need to pace myself because if I get a bag at every place.
You can't get some in Korea.
Yeah, I know. I keep forgetting we're going to Korea after this. But I'm going to Walden Woods now. I just picked it honestly because it looks really cool.
Yeah, it was really aesthetic.
So we'll get some clips of the inside.
I don't ever say much, but you are the one I choose. And I know I'll never say, cause you probably already knew. I can't erase the time that you gave me.
Okay guys, we're in Seongsu. We're shopping. Christian got some pants. Now we're going to...
Oh, not for me, but for you, girls' shoes.
Oh, okay.
I watched a reel and this is one of them.
On my shelf, you couldn't change your mind if you tried. Oh, baby, there's no one else. Baby, there's no one else.
walking to the station to ride the subway or the bus for 3 minutes.
Yippee!
Yippee!
Guys, we're at a Halloween meal called Taco. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Doesn't Christian's skin look so good, guys? Anyway, Christian's gonna go ahead and cut this up.
Are you supposed to cut it like this?
Ooh, look at that.
There's so much
raining.
egg in it.
Fresh seafood
Chon.
on a rainy day.
That in the sauce.
Holy.
And then oh yeah.
They say
Oh man, the meal looks so good.
Because they're literally like bacon here.
It's so good.
when I say it with my